A man accused of hunting down and killing a convicted sex offender. His attorney says it's not what it seems. Senior reporter Jake Wazakowski tells us why and if a judge changed the bond for James Fairbanks.
There's been a lot of discussion on social media if it was right or wrong for James Fairbanks to allegedly kill twice convicted sex offender Matteo Condalucci. An anonymous email came to media outlets explaining that the shooter knew Condalucci's past, saw him staring at neighborhood kids, and had to stop him from hurting any other children.
I think that Mr. Condalucci posed a threat to our community.
Fairbanks attorney Steve Leffler says they've got a good defense, and it's not that Condalucci was a bad guy, so he should die.
I can assure the public that when Mr. Fairbanks encountered Mr. Condalucci, there was no intent to kill Mr. Condalucci. And that will be fleshed out and developed at the time of the trial.
Leffler wouldn't go into detail about what they say happened. District Court Judge Russell Bowie did hear why Fairbanks' bond should be lowered. He denies a change because he says the safety of the public was most important.
I believe he is a threat to the community. He was targeting a specific person because he was registered, and so I think that endangers the community.
Leffler says the reality of waiting in jail for trial is wearing on Fairbanks, who continues to see support from people he doesn't know.
He wants to explain to people why he did what he did.
So the case will now continue to progress towards trial. That could be months or years before that happens. Leffler says Fairbanks does want to have a trial at the Douglas County Courthouse. Reporting in downtown Omaha, Jake Wazakowski, 3 News Now.
Condalucci was convicted of a sex crime against a child in Florida in the 1990s and served more than a year and a half of a 5-year sentence for sexual assault of a child in Sarpy County in 2007.